Court overturning of Roe v. Wade has raised some concerns for in vitro fertilization clinics.
Dallas Payton talked with a fertility doctor about how the Supreme Court's decision could affect people hoping to get IVF.
Cindy, David, although there are a lot of concerns, the doctor I spoke with says as of now how the law is written, it shouldn't affect IVF clinics a lot, but he says that certainly could change. Dr. Barry Donesky with the Fertility Center says the concern for fertility programs is if you define pregnancy as the moment when sperm enters the outer shell of the egg, that makes it very difficult to treat patients because majority of those products will never produce a pregnancy.
Fortunately, the law as it stands right now, this trigger law that takes effect in 30 days, recognizes pregnancy as a woman who is known to be pregnant, or a woman actually carrying within her body a human conceptus at any stage of embryonic development.
Since the overturning of Roe v. Wade, Dr. Donesky has had tons of patients wondering if the law would affect their treatment and seeing if they needed to quickly get the treatment done within the next 30 days.
One of the things that helps us a lot is our ability to genetically screen embryos so that we know the embryos that we're putting in actually have reproductive potential. And that allows us not to have to store embryos that we know will never make a baby.
The genetic screenings also helps with the risk of unexpected accidents happening.
What happens if an embryologist slips in the laboratory and spills a dish? Is she liable for manslaughter at that point? And those are the big concerns with it. And obviously, if that were to happen, you would have a lot fewer embryologists in the country.
Another one of his concerns is fertilizing opportunities for couples trying to start a family.
If we're limited to fertilizing a single egg at a time, to make sure we don't have any additional embryos, then it may take someone 8, 10, 12 tries to become pregnant. And that exponentially increases the cost of in vitro fertilization.
And for some context, according to data from the CDC, about 2 in every 100 children born in the U.S. are conceived through IVF. In studio, I'm Dallas Payton, Local 3 News.